Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's time to start with the restoration of this old lamp that I made myself at school in 1977. So firstly I want to remove all this broken glass before I cut myself. Okay, now that the glass is out, I can start removing this top part. This is now separate, and I think next is the old electric fitting, the wire. Okay, that's out. This is 1977 masking tape. Okay, gents, there's the old wire, broken glass, the screws, and the old rusty electric parts, and this is my home brewed metal bending that I'm going to clean now. And this is the yellow copper top part. And the bottom part that I soldered the tabs on at the top as well as at the bottom. Okay, so it's now for cleanup. Okay, here is the parts that I'm gonna clean up and polish up and spray and whatever. Okay, gents, I touched a little bit with a wire brush on the top part. So there you can see my unprofessional soldering or brazing, whatever I used that time, I can't remember. But now you can see how unprofessional it was done at that point. Also a little bit on this area where I've soldered the whole top part together It's actually here. I'm lying to you. There you can see. There's when I fold it in a square, I soldered it there. But overall, when it's finished, it will look nice. I've touched also a little bit on the insides here on the tabs with a brush, and a little bit here. So I'm gonna do all these parts now and clean it with solvents and some acids, and then we'll see how it look. Okay gents, we've got a rainy day today, as you can see, so that's why I'm tackling this. So what I'm gonna do while it's raining, I'm gonna take my white spirits or vinegar and carbonate of soda and make a mixture in this bucket, and then we'll insert some of this copper parts and see after a while how it look. Okay, there's my mix, and let's insert the first part, and we'll give it a few hours and see if there's any difference. It's now about an hour. Let's see if there's any difference. I know it's very short, but I will leave it in. It's just to see. Okay, so there's definitely a change in a short time. It turns a little bit reddish. You can see there's the original as it was, and this was submerged in that solution. So let's just give it a wipe and see. So okay, I'm gonna put it back, and then on the next video I'll make further progress, and in any case I will take with elbow grease and Brasso and clean it up, but for now I'm gonna leave it in. Okay, thank you.